Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today we're going to be talking about images and backgrounds and how to add them and set them up. So first we're going to go over here to edit element, add a image. Over here you can choose to select a regular image, a image hover, a 3D image, and the image effect just like this one shows over here. For now I'm just going to put a regular image to my website. We're going to go ahead and right click. Over here you can change the image. We have an image collection already, or you can also upload a file. You can also insert an external image through its link. You can edit its transparency over here, just like so. You can edit the hover action. You can also edit its action. For example, if you want the image to be clickable and have a purpose, like add it to an anchor. We're going to go ahead and put a tutorial, and just so I can show you guys, I'm going to go in the preview. If I click on my image, it will take me to my tutorial anchor over here that I set this up. Next up, you can edit the image title, the animation that it will do once someone clicks on it or views it. You can edit the hover effects, scroll animation, if you want it to show on all pages. You can pin the image to one of the corners. You can center it. You can enable the full screen click, tag an attribute, and set a parallax element. Once you guys edit your image, we can go ahead and start editing your background. So for the background, it's not going to be on the elements. We're going to go to layouts, select your layout that you want, and on this green button over here is where you can change your background. Once you click on it, you can apply layout rules in all pages. You can edit your devices. So for example, if you just want to edit your desktop background, you can do so, or for your mobile, you can also do that. We're just going to go on all right now so I can show you. If you want to add a color, for example, this purplish color over here, we can add so. You can also add a texture like this. You can add an image, and you can also do a gradient color like our banner over here. Once you guys do that, you can also clear everything. And this is how you set up your images and your background for your website. This is going to be it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day.